English Learners Podcast. Listen, speak, and grow your English confidence. Hello and welcome, my dedicated English learners. If you are here today, that means something very special. You didn't just start this journey. You stayed consistent. You showed up. And today, you have reached day 7. Take a moment and think about that. 7 days ago, maybe you felt unsure. Maybe speaking English felt difficult. Maybe you were afraid of making mistakes. But today, something has changed. Now you are speaking. Now you are practicing. Now you are improving. And that is something to be proud of. My name is Alex, and this is your space. A calm, supportive place where your English grows step by step. And today is not just another practice. Today is about using English in real life with confidence. Today's focus. During the last 6 days, you practiced daily routines, simple sentences, clear pronunciation, speaking without fear. Today, we bring everything together. Today's practice will help you. Speak naturally in everyday situations. Respond confidently in conversations. Think in English, not translate. Before we start, take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear and confident English. Shadowing practice. Real-life situations. Speak with me. Repeat each sentence 2 to 3 times. Situation 1. Starting your day. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. I have a few important things to do. I have a few important things to do. I have a few important things to do. Situation 2. Talking during the day. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it for a moment. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. Situation 3. Social conversations. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? I really enjoyed this conversation. I really enjoyed this conversation. I really enjoyed this conversation. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Let's talk again soon. Situation 4. Work/study confidence. I will do my best. I will do my best. I will do my best. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak anymore. I am not afraid to speak anymore. I am not afraid to speak anymore. Situation 5. Ending your day. Today was a productive day. Today was a productive day. Today was a productive day. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Tomorrow, I will continue improving. Tomorrow, I will continue improving. Tomorrow, I will continue improving. Take a deep breath. You just completed 7 days of speaking practice. That is not small. That is powerful. Many people want to learn English, but very few people take action. You did. You used your voice. You practiced daily. You built a habit. And that habit is what will make you fluent. Call to action. This is just the beginning. On this channel, Fluent English Journey, we will continue building your confidence step by step. You will find more shadowing series, real-life speaking practice, simple techniques to speak fluently, daily motivation to keep going. Engagement line. If you completed this journey, write in the comments, Day 7 complete. Let me celebrate your progress with you. Final words. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. One sentence at a time, one day at a time, and your English will change forever. Thank you for practicing with me. Be proud of yourself. Keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next journey.